Welcome to another Cottage Life DIY project. I'm Adam, and today I'm going to show you how to fix imperfections in your drywall, all the way from a little dent to a big hole. The first technique I'm going to show you will help with any dents or small imperfections in the wall. Let's make some dents. The putty that we're going to be using goes on pink and dries white. I'm using 120 grit sanding block to give it a smooth finish. If you still notice any small imperfections after sanding, you can always go back and do a second coat. Let's say you have a bigger hole. For technique number 2, we're going to use a drywall patch. Let's make a bigger hole. The first thing you're going to want to do is clean up any rough edges around the hole and remove any loose debris. Drywall patches have an adhesive layer with a reinforced metal center to go over the middle of your hole. Sometimes for larger patches, using a bigger drywall knife makes things easier. For larger repairs like this, it's more than likely going to take 2 to 3 coats to feather out your imperfection. So you've really done it this time. You got a massive hole in your drywall. I'm going to show you how to repair it with a second little sheet of drywall and some scraps of wood. Now for the fun part. Much like the last technique, we're going to remove any loose debris and then square off our hole with a drywall saw. If you have no stud in that exact location, use your scrap pieces of wood to attach your drywall to. Now that we have our bracing in place, we're going to cut our new piece of drywall to fit the repair area. Use a little bit of mesh tape to hold your new piece in place. Because we're working with a larger area, instead of using a little bit of putty, we have to use drywall compound. Once again, your first coat should be nice and thin, and your second coats will feather out your imperfection. When it comes to drywall, no damage is too much damage. With color matching paint readily available, having that perfect wall is easier than ever. If you've got a tip you want to see me try or a build you want to see me do, submit it below. Until next time, keep on cottaging.